for heavy snow, sleet, and freezing rain remains in effect until midnight tonight. Timing: late this morning through this evening. The heaviest precipitation will occur this afternoon with sleet and freezing rain possibly mixing in. Snow/ice accumulation. Snow and sleet accumulations of 8 to 12 inches. Ice accumulations less than 1/10 of an inch possible this afternoon. The highest snow totals will be along and north of Interstate 70, with the highest ice totals to the south of Interstate 70. Impacts: heavy snow, sleet, and ice accumulations will have significant impacts on travel. Icing is expected to be light enough to avoid any significant impacts to trees and power lines. A winter storm warning means significant amounts of snow, sleet, and ice are expected or occurring. This will make travel very hazardous or impossible. Be careful if you plan to use alternate sources of heat or electricity in your home. Observe all safety precautions to avoid carbon monoxide poisoning, electrocution, or fire. Portable generators should only be operated outdoors in a dry and well-ventilated area. A winter storm warning for snow, sleet, and freezing rain remains in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. A band of moderate to heavy sleet and freezing rain will push east across the Missouri Ozarks through mid-afternoon. Isolated scattered thunderstorms can also be expected, which will result in very heavy BURSTS of sleet and small hail, along with poor visibilities. Sleet accumulation rates of over a ½ inch per hour can't be expected within thunderstorms. Additional ice accumulations between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. will range from a thin glaze up to a quarter inch, with the highest amounts generally at too early this afternoon before gradually ending from the west. A period of light and moderate snow is expected from later this afternoon into this evening across portions of extreme southeastern Kansas and west central Missouri. Storm total accumulations of snow and sleet 1 to 4 inches, with the highest amounts along and north of the Highway 54 corridor in central Missouri. Pockets of heavy sleet will occur within thunderstorms. Sleet accumulations may exceed an inch over localized areas. Accumulations of a thin glaze to 1/10 of an inch are expected north of Interstate 44, with accumulations from a quarter to a ½ inch along, and south of the Interstate 44 corridor. Winds and visibility: easterly to southeasterly winds of 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts over 35 miles per hour will occur today. The wintry mix will impact travel with rapidly deteriorating travel conditions. The Missouri Department of Transportation reports 7 miles long and north of the Interstate 44 corridor, with partially to nearly covered roads across far southern Missouri. Freezing rain will accumulate on elevated objects including trees and power lines. Damage to some trees and power lines may occur along and south of the Interstate 44 corridor, which would result in localized power outages and debris in roadways. A winter storm warning means significant amounts of snow, sleet, and ice are expected or occurring. Strong winds are also possible. This will make travel very hazardous or impossible. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station KWN 55 Jamestown, Missouri, operating on a frequency of 162.425 MHz. This program originates from the National Weather Service office in St. Louis, Missouri, and serves portions of central Missouri. We broadcast from the tower near Jamestown, Missouri, from a transmitter donated by the Boone, Callaway, Como, Howard, and Three Rivers Electric Cooperatives.
The current time is 11:32 a.m. Central Standard Time.
You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station KWN 55 Jamestown, Missouri, operating on a frequency of 162.425 MHz. This program originates from the National Weather Service office in St. Louis, Missouri, and serves portions of central Missouri. We broadcast from the Cumulus Media Tower near Jamestown, Missouri on a transmitter donated by your local electric cooperatives.
Daily River and Lake stages for Thursday, February 21st, on the Missouri River at Jefferson City. The morning stage was 2.0 feet, down 0.2 feet from yesterday. The forecast 1.7, 1.4, 1.2, 1.1, 1.3. Near Chamois, minus 2.0 feet, up 0.2. The forecast, minus 1.2, minus 1.1, minus 1.8, minus 2.7, minus 2.2. At Herman, 2.1 feet, down 0.5. The forecast, 3.1, 2.9, 2.5, 1.3, 1.6. On the Osage River near St. Thomas, 5.5 feet. On the Gasconade River near Rich Fountain, 3.4 feet, down 0.1. On the River near Jefferson City, 1.7 feet, no change from yesterday. On the Merritt River near Westphalia, 1.2 feet, no change from yesterday. At Lake of the Ozarks, the morning stage was 655.8 feet, down 0.3 feet from yesterday.
Here is your National Weather Service forecast for central Missouri, including the cities of Columbia, Jefferson City, California, and surrounding communities. Rest of today, blustery, snow, sleet, thunderstorms, and freezing rain. Precipitation heavy at times. Additional snow and sleet accumulation of 2 to 3 inches. Total snow accumulation 3 to 6 inches. Light glazing and high in the upper 20s. East wind 15 to 20 miles to around 30 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation near 100%. Tonight, cloudy, snow, possibly mixed with sleet and freezing drizzle in the evening. Then chance of freezing drizzle after midnight. Snow and sleet accumulation just under a half inch expected. A light glazing expected. Low in the mid-20s. Southeast wind 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts to around 25 miles an hour in the evening, shifting to the south after midnight. Chance of measurable precipitation 60%. Friday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny early in the afternoon, and becoming mostly cloudy late in the afternoon. High around 30. West wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. Friday night, colder, partly cloudy, low around 12. West wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. Saturday, partly cloudy, high in the lower 30s. Southwest wind around 10 miles an hour. Saturday night, mostly clear, low around 19. Sunday, mostly sunny, high in the mid-40s. Sunday night, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of rain, possibly mixed with snow, low around 30. Monday night, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of rain and snow, high in the lower 40s, low around 30. Tuesday, mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of snow, possibly mixed with rain, high in the upper 30s. Tuesday night and Wednesday, mostly cloudy, low in the upper 20s, high around 40. Again, the forecast for central Missouri, including the cities of Columbia, Jefferson City, California, and surrounding communities for rest of today. Blustery, snow, sleet, thunderstorms, and freezing rain. Precipitation heavy at times. Additional snow and sleet accumulation of 2 to 3 inches. Total snow accumulation 3 to 6 inches. A light glazing expected. High in the upper 20s. East wind 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts to around 30 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation near 100%. At 11 a.m. in Jefferson City, light snow was falling, reducing the visibility to 3/4 of a mile with a temperature of 24 degrees. The dew point was 19, giving us relative humidity of 81%. The wind was east at 12 miles an hour, producing a wind chill of 13, and the pressure was 30.08 inches and falling. In Columbia, a thunderstorm with snow was reported, reducing the visibility to 1/4 of a mile with a temperature of 23 degrees. The dew point was 20, giving us relative humidity of 88%. The wind was east at 16 miles an hour, producing a wind chill of 10, and the pressure was 30.05 inches and falling. Elsewhere in mid-Missouri, in Sedalia, snow and fog were reported, reducing the visibility to 1/2 of a mile with a temperature of 23. In Rolla, mixed precipitation and fog were reported with a temperature of 23. Across the region, snow and fog were reported, reducing the visibility to 1/2 of a mile in Kansas City with a temperature of 21. In Springfield, Missouri, light freezing rain and fog were reported, and 28 degrees. In Joplin, light freezing rain and fog were reported, and the temperature was 31. It was cloudy in Cape Girardeau with a temperature of 29. In St. Louis, light sleet and light snow were reported, and 27 degrees.